What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to go and show you how you can go and find out the keyword that is going to be researched by you. And if you are a content creator, for example, if you create YouTube videos, if you create website, blogs, application, and doesn't matter what you do, or you are a digital marketing agent or a freelancer, it doesn't matter about that. If you know how to go and find a SEO and find the keyword, this is going to be the laziest way how you can go and find out the keyword that is going to be relevant, people are actually searching for that or not. So this, my friend, is the best method. So let me quote on this video that is going to be said by Bill Gates. Bill Gates says, "I'll hire a lazier person because he will find an easiest way to do that work." So that, my friend, is the laziest way how you can go and find out the keyword which is going to be searched by people. So let me just go ahead and give you one example for that, and after that I will show you how you can go and do that. So if I go on Google and type YouTube image PNG and click on enter, you will find out that it is going to be 70 per month. So people are not searching for YouTube image PNG. So if I click on, like, for example, YouTube image, there was 70. Now you know that keyword is going to give another volume. So YouTube image is being searched by 6,600 per month. So definitely people are searching for that keyword. So if you want, you can add some more on that. So this volume and this CPC is been given to us. So this has been given by Keywords Everywhere. So it's a Chrome extension, and now we are going to go and look forward for how we can go and download that one. So just go on Google and type Keyword Everywhere and hit on enter. After you click on enter, you will find out first link that is going to be Keyword Everywhere. Click on that one, install it for Chrome or Firefox. I use Chrome, so I had already installed it. Click on install. After that, it is going to give you the extension way. Just go and click on add. It is going to add a K button over here. So it is going to give Keyword Everywhere. Click on or off, it's up to you. Of course you want to use, that's the reason you click it on and you are downloading and watching this video. Alright, so let me go get to the point. And after you add it, it is going to give you the option that you need to have an API for that. For that you will get an email. After that, click on API key, click on that. After click on that, you will get API key, copy this, click on copy. After that, click on K, update settings, API key, just click on Control V, click on valid. It is going to say API key is valid. Click on your country, add your currency. It is just going to give you that it has been searched by people or not. So after that, click on support website, Google search, widget analysis, click on everything, and that's about it. After that, click on close, and that's about it. You have successfully installed that one. So let's get to the point. YouTube images. After you click on YouTube images, I'm definitely 100% sure that people search on Google, that is going to be YouTube. Hold on for a second, and there you see how many people are actually searching for, I don't know how many numbers are there. So it is very highly rated keyword. There is a lot of competition and no one can beat YouTube because too many of volume has been there. People actually search on Google, that is going to be YouTube. After that, you will get some option of related keywords. So as you see, like YouTube, people actually search for YouTube videos, YouTube download, YouTube to MP3, open YouTube, YouTube movies, YouTube music videos. All of the keyword which has been shown right over here, which has been searched by people, and it also has CPC, so people actually pay for this keyword as well. Alright, so YouTube, people also searches for, and all of the keyword you see right over here, people actually search for that. And if you add this keyword, that is going to be the easiest way, and you don't need to search anywhere because this tool has been for a while and they have searched a lot, and that's the reason they have given you the tool. And in the bottom, YouTube videos, it also gives you how many of the monthly search, what is the CP rate for that. So if you want, it is going to give you option that you have to go and click on favorites, because you need to go and add that keyword, for example in Excel or in Notepad. It is going to give you option that you can click on favorite and it is going to be added as a favorite. Click on K, my favorite keyword. So it is going to give you the option that Instagram logo PNG is being added as a favorite of mine. So there you see how many people searches for that, how many volume of search are going to be there, what is the CPC rate. So there you see there are too many of volume and their CPC is low. And for Instagram logo PNG, volume is less and CPC rate is more. So it all depends on keyword to keywords, and this is going to be the best and easier way, and this is going to help you out with your keyword researches. So that's about it. If you find it useful, make sure to comment it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do share if you like this video. Alright, so see you guys next time.